We thought there must be a much better way to do this. How do we unload a truck in the best way?
Constructed entirely from high-grade S355 steel and with fewer components, this new range of dock levelers is designed to deliver uncompromising quality and exceptional performance. Repositioned hydraulic housing significantly improves durability and accessibility for service inspection. The lift cylinder is fixed directly on the shaft to meet the highest safety requirements. Dual-lip guide rollers deliver smooth, precise movement during extension and retraction. And self-positioning safety props improve both operational and maintenance safety.
For the customers, it will be operation without any worries, you could say.
These IoT-enabled dock levelers let you boost uptime and reliability, and make better sustainable decisions using data and analytics. And you can enjoy the convenience of remotely monitoring the status of your docking stations anytime, anywhere. Discover this game-changing range of dock levelers at assaablyentrance.com.